Hello everybody, welcome to another video of feedez channel. And today I was trying to make a 3D model on Roblox, and I don't know how to add texture to it. So I click add, this is the base color, and then I add an image texture to it, Where's it? There it is. I click open, I choose this as the thing, and boom, it's stretched like this. I don't want it to be like this. I was wondering, how do I do that? So basically I found a solution. First of all, we go to shading tab, we click add, we click utilities, we click vector, we click mapping, put it here. So the shading node, all it does is basically thought how do we map this texture. We're gonna connect the vector of the mapping node into the bricks node. Boom. Okay, nothing's here right now. We're gonna set this to box. Okay, and then we're gonna add another thing. It's called texture coordinates. It's gonna be the coordinate of our texture on the UV map. Okay, instead of putting normal, which gonna destroy it like this, we're gonna do this. Okay, generate it. Boom. See, it's normal now. This is exactly how Roblox is. I look at Roblox and I was wondering, how do they make their material like this? I've been searching all over the internet. I was searching how do I do that? How do I do this? How do I make it like Roblox? How do I make a repeating texture? Metal. No, not metal. Sandstone. There we go. I was wondering, how do I make it like Roblox? Turns out it's very simple. I just need to do this, and then I can just switch the scale, Be like, this is maybe 5. This one is also 5. This one is also 5. There we go. Make it like that. And if I don't like it like this, I want to do it easier. I can just do input value, put it here, connect this to my scale, and set this to 1 or 2 or 3 or 5. That's how I basically do it. Turns out it's just the shading node. And I'm about to learn more about this thing. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna make this a tutorial. That's all the tutorial for today. Thank you for watching. If this helps you, don't forget to like and subscribe. Yada yada yada. And bye bye.